Now that our mountain is growing, with people hungry for wealth, how come it's you that's a-going, and I'm left alone by myself? We used to haunt the cool cabin deep in our forest so green. Then came the road and the tavern, and you found a new love, it seems. Once I had you in the wild woods, now it's just dusty roads, and I can't help from blaming your going to the coming of the road. Look how they cut us to pieces, our ancient poplar and oak. The hillside it's stained with the greases that burns out the heavens with smoke. You used to curse the bold crewmen that stripped our land of its ore. Now you've changed and you've gone over to them, and you've learned to love what you hated before. Once I thank God for my treasure, now it's just dusty road, and I can't help from blaming your going to the coming